And I'm coming inside and start cut. Must have wet paint or something on the wall. Then place also. Just hold up a cheap paint to cover the wholeness. I'm gonna make you get sick or anything else. You know that though. It's hot. Oh Jesus. I'm in the old crib. Oh God. What? So the old place was quiet until me come?
The old crib was quiet.
The old crib is quiet? Can we call the place old crib? It's a fucking old crib. What do you mean it's quiet? What do you mean it's quiet? It's always been quiet. Oh Jesus. Me think a party are going out the door. Man soon lip it out because the bill going to go up high. Party every day. Music loud. Soon tear it out of the wall. My landlord and a joke, you know, you play music 1 and 2 times and tear it out of the fucking wall. You come and I wonder what happened to your shit. The landlord come and cut the wire them and yank that shit out. If they could have blown the speaker for the back seat and never work again, please. Let me take off a piece of all the sneakers with the girl and tear pan up the road. You want to see the bitch and look at me, the channel and I look at her skin and teeth and I look and laugh and I look and laugh. Look and laugh, bitch, please. Laughing now give me nothing in our army. But that's being myself. I don't give a shit. And I don't give a rat's ass. A rat's ass. Oh, I'm thirsty. I think I need a cup of tea, a big piece of ginger. And make up of that tea there if you clean out the belly at the same time and drop the ginger in it at the same time. Me come back and talk to you when me let me tea. Love you, no? Bye.